The world keeps moving forward every day. Innovation is the source of driving, pushing it to a new height. 20 years of entrepreneurship shows our constant pursuit. Innovation complied with times, record our error-meeting efforts. Establishing first-class quality awareness, provide advanced technical support. Changzhou Tri Machinery and Electric Company Limited is instituted in the area, which has been widely known as Land of Honey and Milk, Changzhou City, Jiangsu Province. The factory covers an area of 10,000 square meters. Its former name, Changzhou Wujing Wenhua Electric Spindle Factory, was founded in 1998. We are devoting ourselves to spindle development and production for many years. Nowadays, with the rapid development of science and technology, we persist in reform and innovation. Our brand, Shutong and Whd, have won good reputation both home and abroad. In order to meet the requirements of production and quality, we select raw materials and are equipped with sophisticated machines such as Korean Dongsan's DNM and PUMA series of numerical control machines and process center, Swiss Starter Universal Cylindrical Grinder, and vacuum pipe dipping machine, etc. Track each process strictly and treat each product with heart. Customization and high-end intellectually manufacture have become our company's core technical advantages. In order to meet customer demands from different markets, our company has developed the 5 main series of products: STL, STZ, STF, STFB, STX. Our products are widely used for internal and external circular grinding, precision carving, numerical control drilling, milling, edge bonding machines, and so on. Furthermore, we have introduced excellent talents and set up Shutong Customized Center, which can design and manufacture special spindle motors according to the requirements of our customers. Thanks to our advantages of high accuracy, high rigidity, high efficiency, high output power, and low noise, etc., we have received the greater recognition from our old and new clients. The specialty plus quality makes up for brand. Depending on the steady quality and excellent service, our company has established a long-term cooperation with well-known companies in China, such as Shandong Chencan Machinery Incorporated Company, Jinan Region Mechanical Equipment Company Limited, Anhui Chongqing Technology Development Company Limited, Shenzhen Tiancheng Xinli CNC Equipment Company Limited, etc. Our company has promoted products to the whole world and set up agencies in Europe, North America, South America, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. Our brand founder, Mr. Huang Wenhua, is sparing no efforts to exert potential, intelligence, and confidence of all staff to create brand value satisfying all our customers.
秉持诚信、开放的理念，我公司愿与你携手共进，共创更加灿烂辉煌的明天。
Energy of Dream gathers all Shentong personnel together and also concentrates innovative characteristics of incubation together. In the future, Shentong will be more dedicated in providing advanced production conception, professional production ability, efficient after-sales service, and implant energy with heart to spindle industry.